Today we're cleaning kettlebells. The kettlebell clean is unique in that it is a basic foundational movement of using kettlebells, but it's also a fantastic exercise in and of itself for working on your conditioning, your hip strength, and your back strength. So it's important that we have a good understanding on how to make safe and efficient cleans. Almost any time we want to get the kettlebell into the racked position, we're going to need to clean the kettlebell into its racked position. To do this, we're going to start in our setup position with the bell 12 to 18 inches in front of us, tilting it back. We're going to hike it through our magical triangle of love, and then we're going to use our hips to propel that bell onto our arms. It looks something like this.
Aha!
The most common issue I see when teaching people how to use kettlebells is that the kettlebell will come crashing down onto somebody's arm when they're doing a clean. Now this is usually a function of the elbow getting too far away from the body as they swing it up into the rack position. Now this can easily be remedied with one drill, and this is going to be gunslinger swings. If you've ever watched an old Western, you'll know that they kind of shoot from the hip. They're in this position with their elbow against their side. Now, if somebody's having an issue with letting their elbow come away from their body during their clean, we're going to want to do gunslinger swings to emphasize that elbow in position. So we're going to be hiking the kettlebell and then pushing our hips forward while keeping our elbow at our side. A gunslinger swing looks like this. And very simply, the next progression to get a good kettlebell clean is letting the momentum of the bell come up a little bit more and then gently come to rest on the side of the arm. So if we do some gunslinger swings and then we finish with one in the rack position, you'll see how we emphasize that elbow in position. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe so you never miss another workout or tutorial again.